responsibility to.
That's good. I appreciate that. No. All right, sir, you're Jaden Simon.
Yes, ma'am.
And will your client waive the formal reading of the indictment in each case, Mr. LeBlanc?
Yes, Your Honor. Y'all, it's helpful. That should be,
Yeah, and can you, well,
I'll tell you when I do.
need two of them. If you'll do one for each case, and then you can email that stuff later. You can get it done as soon as we're done.
Yes, sir.
And so, Mr. Simon, in cause number 25 DCCR 1760, you're charged with a first-degree felony offense of aggravated robbery. I'm sorry. Oh, I pulled up the wrong one. Let me start with this one. In cause number 25 DCCR 0918, you're charged with a second-degree felony offense of robbery. And that's from June 12th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Yes,
Are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
yes, ma'am.
And are you pleading guilty because you actually did what they charged you with? Answer out loud for the court reporter.
Yes, ma'am. I apologize.
That's okay. And then in cause number 25 DCCR 1760, you're charged in that case with the first degree felony offense of aggravated robbery from October 10th of 2025. And how do you plead to that charge?
Guilty.
Again, are you pleading guilty freely and voluntarily?
Yes, ma'am.
And because you did what they charged you with?
Yes, ma'am.
In both of these cases, I have here on the tablet some documents that have your signature on them that the state's marked as exhibit number 1. Before you signed these, did you go over them with Mr. LeBlanc?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you fully understand them?
Yes, ma'am.
And do you understand if I follow the agreements that you've reached with the district attorney that you'll be waiving or giving up any right to appeal?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you also understand if you're not a U.S. citizen that a plea of guilty or no contest may result in your deportation, exclusion from admission to the country, or denial of naturalization under federal law?
Yes, ma'am.
State tenders number 1 in each case.
No objection, Your Honor.
It's admitted in each case. Is there any evidence that Mr. Simon is not competent?
None that I'm aware of, Your Honor.
All right, sir, I'm going to find in each case that you entered your pleas of guilty freely and voluntarily. Find that you're mentally competent and you understand the nature and the consequences of your pleas. In cause number 25 DCCR 1760, find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of aggravated robbery. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 20 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. There will be an affirmative finding of a deadly weapon in that case. You'll receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. In cause number 25 DCCR 0918, also find sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and at this time find you guilty of robbery. Sentence you in accordance with your agreement to a term of 20 years in the institutional division of the Texas Department of Corrections. You will receive credit on that sentence for any time that you've been in custody that the law gives you the right to receive. These cases will run concurrently, which means together at the same time. I'm handing you in each case the trial court certifications that shows that these were agreements that I followed, so you have waived your right to appeal. I've also handed you a written admonishment regarding your ineligibility to possess a firearm or ammunition. Because of the judgments entered against you, you're ineligible under Texas law to possess a firearm or ammunition. Possession of a firearm or ammunition could lead to charges against you. Firearm is a legal term, and you should read that written admonishment I provide you to see what devices qualify as a firearm. If you have any questions about the laws that make you ineligible to possess a firearm or ammunition or how long that lasts, you can talk with Mr. LeBlanc. All right.
Yes, ma'am.
Good luck to you, sir.
I got a question.
Yes, sir.
I was trying to see will I be able to get 35% on I forgot what it was called, 35% on like.
So whatever happens in prison is up to the prison authorities and parole. It's
yeah.
up to them. It's not up to me. So if whatever's available, you would get it typically as long as you're doing well. So what you need to do, you're so young. And I know this is a long time, but it'll go by probably quicker than you think. And you're going to still be young when you get out of prison. There are things you can do in prison to actually better your life, that you can learn a trade so that when you get out, you can have a job. But they're not going to make you do anything. It's going to be up to you to search that out, be doing right so that you can take advantage of those opportunities. You don't have to be a career criminal. You can change your life, okay? It's totally up to you, and I hope you do.
Yes,
All right. Good luck to you, sir. All right, so we've just got that one left.